Hello and welcome to a first look here from Rickydees Productions. My name is Ricky and today we're looking at the Neewer 35mm f/1.7 stop lens for the Sony mirrorless cameras with an E-mount. Now if you've never taken your lens out before, here's a quick tutorial on the Sony a5100. On the bottom front of the camera, under the lens, you'll see a button jutting out. You want to click and hold that button, then turn the lens to the left, then softly pull it out. Then align your Neewer lens to the hole, push in softly and twist to the right. You'll feel a slight click and that's when you know it's in correctly. When you turn on your camera, you'll find that you can't actually take a picture. In order to fix this problem, you'll have to go into your settings and then under custom settings on page 3, you'll see an option for release without lens. You'll want to switch this to enabled and then you'll be able to use the camera like normal. This lens works with anything with an E-mount, including the A series line from Sony, as well as the older Next line. It starts at about $79 at the time of this recording on Amazon, so it's definitely a bargain deal for a lens. So far, I've taken this lens out to test out, and I've had nothing but great results. Compared to the stock lens that comes with the camera, this lens is further zoomed in, so make sure you take a step back and get everything into frame. I personally like this new lens, and I think I get better picture and video out of it than just with the stock lens. The biggest improvements I've seen have come from low light shots. Here's some shots I took comparing the stock lens that came with the Sony a5100 and the newer one. This lens also has no autofocus functions and is completely manual. This is a welcome feature if you've been using the standard lens that came with the camera, seeing as that is fully centered around the autofocus. Also with this lens, you get the option to manually control your f-stop, so you gain full control over the picture and video quality. This might be a far venture for some of you who are used to the automatic controls, but once you get used to it, you'll come to appreciate the manual features. If you are interested in picking up this lens, make sure to click the link in the description to pick it up. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but does help out the channel. Well, that's everything. I'm excited to learn more about this lens and be able to share this experience with you guys. If you have any questions for me, make sure to drop them in the comment section. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.